Welcome to Battle Creek Tree Removal, your trusted local experts with decades of experience in tree care. We're committed to delivering top-notch service with integrity and professionalism. With deep roots in the community, we understand the unique needs of your landscape, ensuring your trees are healthy, safe, and beautiful. Our team approaches every job with a meticulous eye for detail, ensuring that each project is completed safely, efficiently, and with the utmost care for your property and the environment. We believe in doing the job right the first time, every time, while also providing exceptional customer service that builds trust and long-term relationships with our clients. Call or text us now